So we're here today at beautiful sunny Bronklin Lodge in Cradle West. We've just completed a Vortceptor installation. So you can see here, this is the outlet. As we head in, you'll see the diversion pit. You see the inlet. So the inlet's coming down. You got this 600mm high diversion weir, which is all hydraulically sized. On the angle there, diverting the flow in to get your vortex motion inside the Vortceptor. Here we're looking at the inlet of the Vortceptor. You can see the chute goes down inside into the Vortceptor where you've got your vortex motion. The water comes in and circulates continually, cleaning the screen. Probably one of the highest performance sediment removal and gross pollutant traps that you can get. This is before the wetland. And as the water is treated, it goes through the screen, which is under the water level, and then comes out the outlet, which you can see here. Comes up through here, on the other side of the diversion weir, out into the beautiful wetlands which are under construction. Then in bypass, the water simply hops over the diversion weir and bypasses through. It's all hydraulically sized to take the Q5 flow rate that was required on this project. Beautiful finished product, and good to see City of Casey insisting on gross pollutant traps and high performance treatment before every outlet into the wetland on this development.